me so cold. Your tears frozen to the tears, man, so up, so up. Heart sold, heart's cold, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Burdens on my mind with my heart feeling sore. Winter wind blowing got me so cold. Heart feeling empty with a big over halo on my head. I know I'm an angel sent from heaven just to watch out for my people. I don't know what's going on lately, but I keep on losing my mind. All these thoughts in my head, I can't seem to get out of bed. All I wanna do is drink and stay in dread. God, please lead me to the right life. I don't wanna die, I don't wanna live like this. I don't wanna lose my brothers or my family, all that shit. I'm looking into your eyes, all I see is love ties. You're the best thing that's ever happened to me, girl. Yeah, I'm looking right at you, and I can't believe it's true. In your veins and ice in your blood, feeling real empty while praying up above. Everything I do just can't seem to be enough. But winter wind blowing got me so cold. Tears frozen to my face, man, I feel alone. Tattered dome, heart crying out, girl, save my soul.
All these walls keep tumbling down my head, blocking out my vision, stay seeing red. I don't wanna do it all this way, I can't even contemplate all my mistakes. I just need you to see, baby, where I'm at and where I'm headed to. I don't know what to do, baby girl, and I'm reaching out, but I hit the bottom. I'm so close, so scared, living in fear.
I was scared to realize what's down there, hitting all the rocks with the blood in the air. I know we'll make it, that shit is clear.